konting katahimikan lang ha. Wala mo lang birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ano nangyari? Bigla-bigla kayo sumusulpot. Alam mo na magulat ako.
Hoy! Tumatawin pa!
Aba, nag-iis ko pala. Pagod pa lang. Kaya... Hindi naman to. Kaya mo, konting na kitang masapak.
Mamaneo sa tubaw. Aking nakita ay sasakanda. Mama, kayo po pa si San Pedro. Yes! Happy birthday!
Master Pedro.
In real life, this is my big brother.
Yes.
Wala naman talaga akong brother sa totoong buhay. This is my big brother. Kaya, kung may bahay ni Kuya, may resort ni Kuya. I love you, big brother. I really love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Hindi yung chat GPT. Totoo yun. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mau. Love you, love you, love you.
Ikaw naman, yung I love you, parang gusto mo relasyon eh. Ako eh.
Ito. Thank you, my lover cat. Thank you.
Iiyak si Mayor.
Thank you, lover cat. Lord, thank you po. Para kang ano? Kung paano natin sa school nito eh. Yes. Kuya.
Message!
Pasok mo mga
Karen!
Happy birthday, Dada. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Nangyayari naman.
Happy birthday. Hi, Dad. Surprise.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for loving and supporting and taking good care of us. Wishing you all the best in life. Stay humble and happy always. At mas maging healthy ka pa araw-araw. Maraming birthdays pa ang dadating sa'yo na magkasama tayo. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. At mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. I love you.
Thank you.